Hi, everybody. Hey, I wanted to hop on here really quick and show you how easy it is for you to get a little holiday bonus by sharing this week's BOGO Box. And really, you can share doTERRA at any time with these simple steps. So follow along, and if you have any questions, just let me know. So let me share my screen here. Okay, so first thing you need to do is go into your doTERRA account and log in. If you don't have a doTERRA account, just let me know and I can help you get started with that. And really, the BOGO Box is the best way to do that right now because you get your BOGO Box and your membership for free, which saves you $35 right there on top of the $190. Okay, so I'm logged in and then you see my little face there. It might be a little person and you select that and you're going to go to account profile. What you're going to do is make a link generator link. Okay, so account profile. And you scroll down and under my business, link generator. Now, if you're not seeing this, it might be because you need to toggle a switch in here that that turns on your ability to be a wellness advocate. So any wholesale member can become a wellness advocate by just toggling it over to select wellness advocate and putting in their social security number, and then they can start getting paid by doTERRA. And you're an official affiliate with doTERRA. It's so cool. That's simple as it is. So you go link generator, and you want to help them sign up with that BOGO Box because they wouldn't want to miss out on that 25% discount on doTERRA from then on. So you'll click generate link. And then you'll see your face in there and you click continue. And you'll just select wholesale customer because even if they'd like to be an wellness advocate, you don't need to select two links because they can always switch over to wellness advocate at any time. So just to make it simple, we'll do one link. Now, this is how you can then select any of our enrollment kits, but starting on the 16th, so November 16th, 2021, they'll have the BOGO Box in here as one of the enrollment options. So you can see here in November, they have all these different kits that are on sale right now, 20% off, really great. But yeah, so you'll be able to see either on the first page or the second page that BOGO Box in there. We'll just pretend it's the Home Essentials enrollment kit. So then you'll see the BOGO Box in there instead of the Home Essentials kit. And you'll push generate link. Now this link here, it's kind of long. And so I like to just convert to a shortened URL. And then copy it. And there's a lot of different graphics out there that you can select from. Any of the graphics that I share, feel free. And you can post that anywhere on social media, share it through text, messenger, however you want to do it. And that when they use it to purchase, it'll be credited to you. So guys, that is really it. You just make one of those link generator links and share it with all your social media posts. Maybe put it in your Instagram where they have the link option there. And if you have any questions or run into any troubles, just let me know and I am happy to help you out so that you can help your friends and family get this amazing BOGO Box, save $190+ and earn yourself a little holiday bonus. Super fun. Bye.